What a celebration this from El Haifa Khabi there, and he's won the game for Olympiacos there with the last minute goal there. He won the Conference League. They are the first Greek side to win the European trophy there, and he had a wonderful season there in the end. Absolutely wonderful season. 11 goals there in the knockout stages, the most by any player there since Ronaldo in 2017 there. Stunning piece of goal, stunning piece of celebration this from him, and what a game, what a sensation this game. This from El Khabi, they have done it. Olympiacos has beaten, yes, Fiorentina there in the final there of Europa Conference League there. And what a victory, what a game this for them. So it's 18 goals to the success from so that's it, and what a sensation we see to this one. And yes, wonderful victory. This for former Sevilla manager was won the game. That's it. Now,